Well, good evening, and hello there, everyone. I'm William Brantley from the North Jackson, Tennessee area on Walker Road at the University Village Apartments near Westtown Commons Shopping Center, getting ready to share with you today's climate summary and give you a forecast for the next few days momentarily. We had another beautiful day today here in Jackson, and just about all of West Tennessee, and I believe all of Tennessee for that matter, had a very beautiful day today. A cool morning and not too hot afternoon, and we may have at least one more, or possibly even two more of those coming, but we'll have to deal with some clouds though Tuesday with cooler temperatures. More on that yet to come. Alrighty, forgot my glasses as usual. Let me find them real quick, and then I'll share with you the climate data, then go through the usual graphs. As of 4 p.m., I've done it a little early tonight. The skies were mostly clear at that time. The temperature was 86 degrees. The humidity, the heat index, it felt like 87 degrees. So it feels like about the same as the actual temperature. That's more like it. But we'll be returning to the heat here toward the middle of the week briefly, but not as bad as what we've had over the past couple of weeks though. Alright, 86 degrees, like I said, is the temperature at 5 o'clock, or 4 o'clock rather. The dew point was 63 degrees. The humidity was 46%. That's helping tremendously on it feeling cooler. The wind was out of the northeast at 10 miles per hour, and the barometric pressure was 30.05 inches of mercury. Today's low temperature got down to 60 degrees. Boy, didn't that feel good. Only 3 degrees from the record coldest low, but we did not make it to that, which would be 57 degrees. Of course, 60 was the low. Today's high was 87 degrees, the same as what we had yesterday. And ironically, the heat index yesterday was 88 at 3 p.m. Today it was 88 again at 1 p.m. in the shade. So the heat index is holding steady at least for a couple of days. Alrighty, the lowest humidity was 46% today. That was at 4 p.m. And the highest would be 90% at 4 through 7 a.m. this morning. I mentioned to you the highest heat index was, like I said, was 88 at 1 p.m. And it may stay below 90 for one more day, maybe. But we'll see. Lowest barometric pressure, what a word sometimes, was 30.00, the lowest, and that was at 12 a.m. The highest was 30.09 inches at 10 a.m. through 12 p.m. Today's highest wind gust at the Jackson, Tennessee airport was 21 miles per hour out of the northeast at 12:54 p.m. Now the sun will be setting tonight at 8:01 p.m. Be rising tomorrow morning at 6:03 a.m. The moon will be setting tomorrow morning or later tonight at 12:41 a.m. and be rising tomorrow afternoon at 2:18 p.m. Now today's records for July the 30th, the hottest high would be 101 in 1999 and 2012. The coolest high would be 72 in 1971. The warmest low would be 76 in 2008 and 2011. And the coldest low would be 57 degrees. And it happened 4 different years since 1949 for the month of July. And those years would be 1965, 3 years, 1965, 1974, and 2014. That's right, 3 years ago today, it got down to 57 degrees for a low. So we wasn't far from it this morning, like I mentioned. Rainfall record for today would be 2.22 inches, and that fell in 2009. Alrighty, let me go ahead and read you a few days forecast, and I'll show you the graphs. Of course, we're going to have another beautiful night tonight. It's going to be mostly clear skies. And it's going to get down nice and cool again. Fair skies tomorrow. A low near about 62 degrees. Might hit 61. But right around 62. Tomorrow's high should be about 90, 89, 90. We should have east winds at about 5 to 10 miles per hour. And on Tuesday, it looks like it's going to be mostly cloudy that day. I'd say mostly cloudy to very cloudy, with a 40% chance of a few showers and thunderstorms by Tuesday night. The daytime should be okay. The low should be about 66, the high should be about 90, with south winds at 5 to 10. And on Wednesday, it's going to be very cloudy, with a 40% chance of more showers and thunderstorms till noon, and then becoming fair. With a low near 67 and a high of 89, with west winds at 5 to 10. And it looks like for Thursday and Friday that it's going to be, I believe, fair skies till noon, then very cloudy with a 40% chance for some showers and thunderstorms till Thursday night. Then the skies should be fair once more. With the low near 68 and a high of 89, with west winds at 5 to 15. And on Friday, it looks like it's going to be very cloudy once more, with a 60% chance of showers and thunderstorms till Friday night, then becoming fair. So it looks like Friday is going to be the best chance for some showers and thunderstorms this coming week. And then, like I mentioned, becoming fair by Friday night, with a low near 68 degrees and a high of 83 degrees, with west winds at 10 to 20. And I'm going to go ahead and leave it at that. And if you'd like to read the complete 9-day forecast, which would take it to you through August the 8th, which is next Tuesday, you can read it at my website, forecast website, at southjacksonweather.wordpress.com, if you'd like to read it there. Well, alrighty, let me move on to the national frontal mount. I don't know why I keep forgetting that word. I'm going to have to go with the National Weather Services tonight, because that other one, for some reason, wouldn't come up. It's just one of those days, I guess. I'll go ahead and turn it around so you can see it too, but this is the National Weather Services frontal map system as of 4:16 p.m. Jackson time, Central Daylight Time. Alrighty. As you can see, we're in good shape here. High pressure over northern Illinois is taking real good care of us. And as a matter of fact, almost the eastern half of the country, except down to Florida. Looks like it's raining down there in parts of Florida. Got two low pressure systems off of both sides of Florida, east and west side, with looks like a portion of Florida experiencing the threat of flash flooding even. That's what that red circle with lines in there means. Oh well. Okay, may everybody have good luck with that, I guess. And then that frontal system swings on around out here to the west, and there's another area of flooding expected out southwest. There in parts of Arizona, New Mexico, Colorado, Texas, and even the portions of Kansas and Oklahoma, where there's some flash flooding expected over there. Other than that, the west doesn't look all that bad. There's a lot of frontal systems way up in Canada, but they're not expected to influence our weather, not anytime soon anyways. Alright, that's their map there. Let's see, what's next? The local radar, thanks to AccuWeather. And of course, obviously, clear skies, no rainfall. not within at least 150 miles of Memphis or so. Real good and clear. Obviously over Jackson, it's going to be. We get a real close shot there of Jackson for you. That's just ground clutter that you're seeing there in the green. Just picking up other objects other than rain. That's normal for radar to do that. Alright, let's look at the satellite and radar combo. Also thanks to AccuWeather. And you can see, we're cloud free here in Tennessee. Look at that, how clear we are. My goodness. Statewide, according to this, isn't a cloud in the sky hardly. And not too many to our east. Looks like the Carolinas is cleared up. A few little clouds along the east side of Appalachians, I guess you can call that. And most of the clouds have moved well offshore. There's Florida there, but at least some sunshine in the northern parts of Florida. Looks like it's cloudy most of Florida though, and there's a heavy rain down there in that area that we were talking about a while ago where the flash flooding is possible. For those of you that still may be using Florida for your vacation. Other than that, the southeast looks great. All the clouds have moved offshore. There's some clouds over there in the plain states, but they're not going to affect us anytime soon. So that's pretty much it. A real good picture of Tennessee there. Good and clear. How about that? All right. Well, I guess that's it for tonight, folks. I'm going to go ahead and cut it off a little early and take advantage of it while I can. I'll go ahead and give you tomorrow's forecast one more time, which I believe was mostly fair skies with a low near 62 and a high of 90 with east winds at 5 to 10 miles per hour. Sun rises at 6:03, sets at 8 o'clock tomorrow night. Moon rises tomorrow afternoon at 2:18 p.m. and sets at 12:57 a.m. Tuesday morning. All right, that's it. Well, good night, folks. Thank goodness I made it on a Sunday night. I hope I get a chance to talk to you again tomorrow night or Tuesday night, probably at the latest. And until then, sweet dreams, and God bless each and every one of you. Goodbye.